Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by ensuring you operate on the live DOM. Either run code after DOM content loaded or put your script just before /body. Next, pick the selector that matches the element you need, ID for single elements, class for groups, attribute selectors for data attributes. Then call Document.queryselector with that selector string. This immediately returns the first matching element or null. You do this because targeting one element is faster and avoids extra iteration when you only need a single node. Once you have an element reference, make sure to check for null. A missing match will cause errors. If present, read or write content using text content or inner HTML for markup or value for form inputs. Change appearance via style or class list. You can also scope searches by running query selector on that element to find descendants, use parent element to move up, or closest to find an ancestor. These patterns keep code modular and prevent accidental global queries. Finish by wiring behavior and optimizing. Add event listeners directly to the selected element for interactivity, and if you repeatedly access the same element, cache the reference in a variable to improve performance. When working with many elements, prefer query selector all and iterate. If things break, check selector spelling and whether the element exists at the time of the call. When in doubt, console. Log the result and confirm it isn't null. This quick check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.